Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and studying at your home. Now, close your eyes and imagine that we are in a place where there are beautiful flowers everywhere, all around. How does it feel? Which song do you feel like singing? Yes, students, in the new chapter, we are going to the world of blooming flowers, that is, Valley of Flowers. It is a place in Chamoli which is situated in our Uttarakhand. So let's get started. Uttarakhand is located in the northern part of India. Come to page number 84, the Valley of Flowers. In the hills of Uttaranchal, now it is known as Uttarakhand, there is a place where there are flowers everywhere. This place is called the Valley of Flowers. In some places, one sees red flowers blooming on bushes, while in others, one finds white flowers peeping out between the stones. So, there is a place in Uttarakhand which is known as Valley of Flowers, where we see red flowers blooming in bushes. Blooming means flowering. Bushes means that is a shrub with stem of medium length. And we also see white flowers peeping out between stones. What do you mean by peeping out? Peeping out means they are looking secretively between the stones. There are wide areas carpeted with the brightest yellow flowers, and suddenly elsewhere blue flowers shining like tiny stars between the grass. All this seems like a beautiful dream, doesn't it? Yes, because like a dream, these flowers bloom only for a few weeks in the year. Also, there you can see the areas that are carpeted with yellow flowers. What do you mean by carpeted? Carpeted means covered with carpet. And also, blue flowers are shining like stars between the grass. And this is all like a dream come true, isn't it? Yes. And this flower blooms only for a few weeks in a year. It does not bloom all the month. Moving next, on page number 85 we have the design in the picture is called Madhubani. It is a very old form of folk art. Do you know why it is called Madhubani? There is a district in Bihar called Madhubani. Here, during festivals and happy occasions, the walls of the houses and their courtyards are painted with such pictures. Here, we are going to know about the folk art of Bihar, which is known as Madhubani. Now, why it is known as Madhubani? Basically, there is a district in Bihar called Madhubani, where during festivals the wall of houses are painted with pictures. These paintings are made out of paste of powdered rice in which color has been mixed. The colors used in Madhubani painting are very special too. To make them indigo, neil, turmeric, haldi, colors from flowers and trees, etc. are used. The paintings show human beings, animals, trees, flowers, birds, etc. Now, how these paintings are made? They are made out of paste of powdered rice in which other colors are also mixed. This is prepared by the natural ingredients like turmeric, haldi, indigo, and the colors extracted from flowers. And in the painting we can see human beings, animals, trees, flowers, birds, etc. Now let us see where Bihar is located in map. The Bihar is located in eastern part of India. Now you can see some paintings. This is the Madhubani painting. You can see human made in this. This is a beautiful Madhubani painting, the folk art of Bihar. Now, talking about Uttarakhand, can you tell me what is the folk art of Uttarakhand? Yes, that is Appan. This is also beautiful art. In ancient time, it was also made by powdered rice and geru. Now, the painting boxes are available for the convenience. In Diwali, the apron is made on all the doorsteps of the house. Students, you must be familiar with this apron, the folk art of our Uttarakhand. That's all for this video, students. Bye bye.